In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, add an audio file by hitting Files, tapping on Audio at the top and looking for your file over here in one of those apps, or even by clicking on the top left corner in one of those sources. Either way, when you find it, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to, you can add a video file by clicking on Gallery section over here and tapping on your video right away. If you can't find it, select Folders, look for it here and click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!